Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a small Shein haul. Now I only placed an order with them because my daughter, she'd ordered me a swimming costume and it was a little bit too tight, like the strings where your shoulder bit goes. So we sent that back and then I ordered a size up, and then I just bought a few little bits just to see how they are. If I like them, then I will be placing another order. Now, first thing, I bought this mat, right? And I was thinking it was bigger than what it is. Sorry if you can hear screaming. It's just the kiddies are playing in the pool outside. I mean, it's kind of cute. Smaller than what I thought, but I like it. Right. I ordered one of these like little storage cases because I don't know. Because I've got these lint-free wipes and I wanted somewhere to store them rather than just laying in my drawer. So let's stick them in. Please excuse my nails, I did like a rush job. Oh shit. Because I was going to do acrylics, but it's too hot. And I know that the acrylic's going to set too quick. That's cute. I like that. And you can fit a few more in. That's cute. Like that. Okay, now I don't know really why I ordered these, because I've already got some. I thought I'd run out, but I found some under my desk. So I've got these, but like in the natural colour. But let's take this. Yeah, it's just for swatches of of the gel polishes, so you know which is which colour. Right, then I hope all this packaging is recyclable, you know. Too much of it. This cute, like silver and pearl, what's it? Stand. Let's, God, I'm so bloody hot, it's unbelievable. To put me, my brushes on, because they do like to roll off the table. So there is that. Cute. Then I got some stickers. Let's take this out the packaging. These are really, really pretty. Like holographic. Yeah, palm trees and leaves. Really, really cute. I've got these little ones. See, some of this I don't even remember bloody ordering, to be quite honest. So these are water decals. Why I ordered these I don't know, but it's in a set of 2. I think I ordered it for these. I thought they would look nice on the nail. Even them frames are kind of cute, aren't they? God, it's so damn hot. These ones are beautiful. These are more of a like a rose gold. I need a white background so you can see. More leaves and there's some flowers there, which I thought was quite nice. Oh my god, I'm so hot. Then some of these. Okay, so there's quite a few in there. 1, 2, 3, there's 3 of them. So without me taking them out the package, these reminded me like of watercolors. They're quite pretty. I'm not sure about them. Oh yeah, they're pretty as well. Oh, I like them. I like them a lot. These ones are so cute. Not sure if you can recycle this paper, you know. I mean, this plastic. I hope so, because I've got a lot of it. These bees. How blimmin' cute are they? I really, really like those. Then I got some foil. I don't even remember ordering this, to be honest. I don't know. Maybe it looked more different on the... Oh, there's a few of them. Oh, okay. I mean, it's kind of cute, I guess. 2. 3. There's 5 of them. Cute. Do you know, I'm sweating in places I didn't even know that I could sweat. These ones, again, I don't know why I ordered these. Maybe there's one in there that I like. I don't know. Oh, okay, this is this angel paper stuff. Hang on. Stick that there. So there's this purple one. That's pretty. And then a yellow. I quite like these. They are pretty. Oh, I like this one. Blue. Oh, this one's stuck in the back of it. Blue. And then this pink one. This one's lovely. Love that. Wow. They are static. Oh, I'm not even going to bother sticking them in. It's going to take too long. Then I've got these. I remember these ones. Whew. I need to get a fan. These ones are pretty. I need maybe like a white background. Oh, these are full beauty. Love those. That's so cool. Yeah, these are really lovely. I love these. Oh god, I just dropped one. And this one. I really like these, you know. There's quite a few in there. Which ones I won't use, I will stick in my giveaway. That's nice and vibrant. This one, I like this one. Upside down. This one, I like this one as well. And then the last one, this black and white one. So cool. The hands of the butterfly. Oh, very pretty. Okay. Whew. It's hot, hot, hot. Oh, okay, there's see those some strawberries, like whole strawberries, and then like sliced strawberries, and there's some flowers like daisies, and some leaves. Really cute. I got some stamping plates. They were in a set. Can't remember how many. 6. Oh god, the light is going to really interfere, isn't it? Okay, I'll do it like that. So that's really nice with the leaves and the flowers. Stop, breathe, enjoy and repeat. Happy holiday, best wishes. Flowers, let's nail. Dream, live on. That's nice. This one's lovely. The dream catchers and the feathers. I love the feathers. God damn, it's hot. And then some roses. Nice. Butterflies. Cute. A bit random. There's a Christmas one in there. very random. And then lastly, oh God, I can't do that. Some flowers. Like those. Now, these things I bought here, I thought were going to be much smaller. Because I wanted to do some like some kawaii nails. Let's sort these out. Oh. So yeah, they are a bit big. Did I drop one? But still they're cute. But yeah, a bit too big for the old nail. I like those. And then lastly, we have this box. So there are some avocados. Again, they're big. Oh my God, are they fried eggs? Oh, I've done it upside down like a fucking dickhead. Oh well. So there's a fried egg. There's the avocados. Cute. And then flowers. There's these smiley faced flowers. These ice creams are bloody adorable. Love those. Random carrots. I mean, I guess you could use them for Easter or I don't know. World Carrot Day. I don't know. And then these ones I think are my favourite. Too cute. Did think they were going to be smaller than what they are, but it is what it is. Them ones are bloody massive, look. I don't know what I'd do with those. Maybe give it to my daughter or something she can stick in a scrapbook or... Yeah, so that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care and you'll see me in my next video. Bye for now.